Hello everyone, welcome back to Harpist's channel. Today I'm going to introduce Harpitree Academy. The reason why I'm a little bit soft in my voice because it's my third attempt trying to record this. It's been failed for twice or for a very long video, 30 minutes. So yeah, hope it goes well for this time. So I've briefly introduced this one before, but for those who are new to this news, we just started Harpitree Academy online. So what it means, I just try to brought what I do offline here in Auckland, New Zealand, to the online world. Yay! So for many of you who actually don't have a really good the harp education in your areas, or you just too busy and then can't have like regular commitment for the weekly lessons. So here I built the Harpitree Academy. It's been about 5 or 6 years that I've been thinking about this. So I had this online half course idea back in 2020 during the COVID time. I think I should have stopped that time, but it was stopped by another business idea, which I started instead of this one. It's been pushed for a few years, and Harpitree New Zealand business got busier as well, so I was busy doing everything. So but finally I thought it shouldn't be delayed any longer, so here I started. I'm still unsure whether there are many of you who needs this one, but basically the vision for this Harpitree Academy online is just transferring my teaching from offline to online. Also have a solid reference for my students who are coming to my studio, so they can find and practice, revise, and plan ahead or practice ahead with the reference, because often the once weekly or fortnight lesson might be too, it might not be enough. So and especially students, they might forget what to do. So I think it will help young students as well. Yeah, even few of my students record my demonstration and then try to figure out by themselves. So I thought it will take time to build the full school system academy here, but I think I will start to working on from the lower level, like beginners level, and thinking to add up all the way up to what I teach these days, even with covering the advanced pedal harps. So yes, so that's my vision for the Harpitree Academy. So here there are like few options out there online learning the harp, but for me, as I said, I just want to transfer from offline to online, and what I usually do offline is offering clear structured method, techniques, and then music that is aligning with the techniques, so you don't get lost where you end up like able to play one or two pieces but not able to cope or to use the same technique for the other pieces. So I don't want to see that happens, and also hope everyone have a really solid the techniques and become a confident players. Also, harp is really beautiful instrument. I think hope more people get into this harp world. Yes, so here is the about page, so you can see a little bit about our school. Most harp students quit online not because it's too hard, but because there's no clear path forward. So Harpitree Online Academy is different. A structured, labeled community built on a proven method used by teach hundreds of students over 10 years, age 4 to 70. So what I'm trying to build for the offline, the school as well, is introducing Harpitree methods starting from level 1 and all the way up to level 8. So we just developed beginner, course book and also beginner books for young kids who are new to the music. So they are starting with the readings and the musical concepts. And level 1, I'm going to build all the way up to level 8. So it's kind of like similar system to ABRSM. So ABRSM is like the exam graded exam system from the UK. So here we offer real curriculum, progress tracking, and personal feedback. If you have any questions or during the live session, you can always ask questions and or for feedback for a fraction of private lesson cost. Yay! And until end of this month, until July 31st, I'm offering finding members special. So I think after it gets fully developed, it will cost more than $97 per month, but I'm happy to offer at $47 per month. And even better, you can get 50% off if you for the annual membership. Usually Harp learning takes more than a year, so I think it's really worth for the money. And then next thing that you will get is Harpitree Method Level 1. Weekly cohort will start in early August, so that will be available for those founding members or joining before August, because we will start on the first week of August on the live online session. And of course, you can unlock all future courses, but your price will lock at $47 or even like $23 if you subscribe for annual membership. So at the moment, what's inside? 10 weekly beginning course is fully uploaded. Weekly live sessions, I think I will stop when I have enough students joined. And some free sheet music, free gifts from me, and ABRSM guides, and more courses to be added, community access with motivated Harp students. And your tutor is me. Hi. I have more than 20 years of harping and 10 years in teaching, and I'm founder of Harpitree Musical, anything that was Harpitree. And I've done many professional experience performances teaching and have graded diploma in music from the University of Auckland. So if you click here, start free trial, and you can of course start with 7 days free trial, so you can cancel within 7 days anytime and you won't be charged. So you can select for the monthly $47 per month. It's only available for July. And if you click for annual, you will get 50% off. So you will pay $23 per month, and there will be 282 billed annually. So you will be billed for this amount after your trial ends. So let's dive in. Go to the community section. So it's like a dashboard. I can post things and you can post your questions here. And we just started a week ago, so it's a little bit quiet. And if you go to the classroom, I think I will upload this one soon. So you have a start here, so you can read about our Harpitree method, and this video will be uploaded here too. And once you join with the trial, I think the sheet music or material will unlock in 7 days after your trial finish. So note reading workbooks and sheet music will be available after 7 days. And this little thing that you are not too sure about it, so it's for the Korean students, because this is like a little special thing for the students who wish to communicate in Korean. So nothing new, but it's just like a Korean community. And the key thing that you can enjoy is here, beginner course. The one thing is that you will need to buy a PDF of the book from here, from our Harpitree website here. So it's $9.99. And then yes, courses all the way up to week 9 has been uploaded, so you can enjoy these full courses. And then back to the classroom. The note reading workbook. So it's for those who want to do the beginner course but doesn't have a solid reading or hasn't done any reading training. So this is extra note workbook that you can work along with the music, the beginner half course. So it's aligning with it. We have exercise of reading it, so slowly introducing a few notes at a time. So it worked pretty well for our adult students. And the level 1 is coming soon, so this is the one that we are going to start in August. The book will be available soon for you to purchase, and also the pieces that is included in level 1 will be available online soon on YouTube probably. And the Zoom call for one-on-one session will be available soon. And Harp review, you can find everything here, but categorized. But they are all basically available on YouTube. And this one is really fun for those who are keen or really working on the ABRSM. So you can find ABRSM exam and syllabus. You can click the link here. And this is really cool one. So it's exam syllabus spreadsheet that I made. So you have the pedal harp session and the non-pedal harp session here. So you can sort out by grade. You can click here, or you can sort out by the book name, which is very useful if you wanna keep working on it and you just need to check whether it will be worth to. So yeah, I always check the book and see whether it covers the multiple grades. So have a look around this one, and then I try to put some of my recordings together by the grade, so you can listen to it and decide what to. And library repertoire, we probably not need it. And tool library is really fun stuff. So you have practice aids, about harp, and music reading aids. So going from the music reading aids, you have music note chart like this, some useful tips, and about the harp, some useful the fun facts about the harp. And when you come to the practice aids, you have weekly practice planner. Like here, you can download here. And for those who want to record your progress, this is just a little practice log that you can use. And then this is a really fun one. So it's called Harpitree Practice Timer. So it was built based on the concept of Pomodoro. So we are focusing on 20 minutes, but for 3 sessions. How it works, the full session will be 90 minutes, but of course you can just do like 1 session at a time. So first 10 minutes you would spend on preparation time. So you will tune the harp, tea and water ready, sheet music set out, decide what to work on. And for the first session goes on for 20 minutes. And I think there is like a 10 minutes in between. So 5 minutes for the review, 5 minutes for the break, and another session for 20 minutes, break, and then another session, and then cooling down session like this. I don't think we have cooling down, but we have 5 minutes in between the session. So if you click this one, open timer, so it leads to something like this. So prep time, so you click start. So 10 minutes ticking. So within 10 minutes, harp tuned, tea, water ready, sheet music set up, decide what to work on. And then when you go to the next step, practice planner, so you can write what you want to work on in each session. Remember, your 1 session lasts for 20 minutes only. So pick 1 or 2 specific areas. For example, piece that you are working on, maybe your tutor or I give you the section name, the A section, right hand. Or if you have a young kids who are learning the harp, you can go even very specific, left hand 5 times until like this, or hands together 5 times at speed 50, like this. Or you can work on the goal based on the achievement. So until hands together until you get perfect 3 times in a row, something like this. And then when you go to the timer, you can always skip or reset if you want to, and you can click to test, and that's the alarm that you will hear. And then skip. So practice session will start after you start, press the start buttons, and then you can see all the tasks that you've written in the practice planner. So once you've done, you will hear the alarm, and then you can go. So I have to skip because my 20 minutes is not up yet. And we have 5-minute session to review how things are going, how things went, and click 5 minutes. Don't spend more than 5 minutes. And then break time, stand up, stretch, and go to the toilet if you need it. And then skip 2. And I didn't write the section 2, but you can write the list of practice that you want to do here, and then click start. Let's go. And then section 3, the same thing. And then once session completed, you will see what you've done here, and then of course you can start a new session. So if you do these 3 sets, it will take 90 minutes. If it is too much, you can even try just 1 session. But I think yeah, one session, 1 20-minute session, try to nail it down and try to improve one thing at a time. I think that's really important, rather than playing through the whole piece mindlessly over and over again for 20 minutes or even 2 hours. Yes, I think that's really useful, and that's pretty new. I think that is really fun. And then sheet music, this is a free gift from me, how it works. Yeah, I think it's divided into the level. I keep trying to add once in a while, so it's like a free gift. So it might be on your level, under your level, slightly higher than your level, but feel free to download this one and enjoy learning these ones. Here on the calendar, once we know, find out the best time for the live session, you will be available. You can see the list here, so you can click and join the live session here through here, and then you can see the members. And yeah, that's pretty much all. You can always contact me, message me through the chat. Yes, hope I can see you there. And yeah, so 7 days trial is available, so don't be afraid to join and try out these ones, and let me know what you think. See you next time.